guys, welcome back to my channel Appopedia. So I try to learn Flow Builder. So there, this is the first model. I will give this link in the description box. So I considered myself. I already read all the things. Let's do the cues part and then see the attack. Okay. So first question is choice set can generate option with the choice section. We have to be generate with the formula variables and choice section. I can for the choice level. There is no any option for the choice level. Things so choice set there about choice set can generate options with pick list formula filter also choice list filter also P and C and then variable is the store value that can change in the flow value that stays in same no or can change that decision element can change decision element and also is also the correct one store a value that you can change in the flow. I think so variable is one. Let's once check that is any definition is there like that decision they're talking. Yeah, decision also they can take for a partially correct but I also go with option B. That might be like much preferable. Variable can change with the decision. Moreover, I can lie on that part as well. Let's see both the correct. Yeah, so I got it. So this was the correct one. So yeah, I will meet you in the next cues. Till then, subscribe to my channel and stay tuned with me. Bye bye.